U Unity Software. Okay, again, this is a relatively new stock. I just draw two lines there, but I think it's quite a simple way to analyze. So sort of like sudden climax, automatic rally, secondary test, phase A, and we have a sign of weakness in B. Subsequently, this is still B until we probably form, well, I would say this is a last point of the support, LPS. Okay, sign of strength rally, confirm that. Backing out action, tested the access line, resistance and support. And last Friday just had a reversal up bar. So that's certainly a good reversal bar, and definitely anticipate at least a test of the swing high. And for this, uh, I really would like to see it can just test about 150, so to fill the gap right there. So probably have some more upside. So that's Unity. Um, yeah, so I think right now this is a reversal buy, and you can wait for breakout confirmation as well. Otherwise, if it just have some form of maybe more consolidation, I think it's even better than before. You can just breaking out. Okay, this is Unity. I think that's all for the US stocks.